Yeah. Okay, so what we're going to go into now is going to be the lateral lunge with shoulder press. So first of all, the best thing we want to do is just to get the feel, first of all, of going into the lateral lunge, and make sure that you've warmed up quite well. When we're getting into the lunge, it's feet nice and wide. You're going to stay in a static position as well. So you're going to go out to one side, keeping one leg straight. As you're coming down, hands are going to be up to there. Come down nice and low, back up to the top, and then bring in the shoulder press. Okay, so we're going out to one side, keeping one leg straight, down to there, and then back up and press. From the side then, what you want to be looking to do is try to get the backside down towards, okay, alignment there with the knee, come back up, and then press from there, okay? So that's what you're looking for. So make sure, first of all, doing a good warm-up, and obviously the legs then are good to go in the lateral lunge itself. Take hold of your dumbbells, bring the dumbbells in at shoulder height. Again, get those feet there into that good position, staying in static. Keep looking forward. You're gonna drop the hips down, back up, shoulder press, down, hips on line with the knee, back up, shoulder press, keeping the torso nice and tight all the way through.